guessing the total. Does anybody have any guesses? Again, for every one, there's 3 to 7 below. How many guesses, or how many dolphins do you think we have? 600, somebody said. We think it's a little lower. Anybody? 300, close. We're thinking 400 long-beaked common dolphins. And by doing that, they're able to be...
Oh, there was a baby! That was the calf, yeah.
Seeing them jumping out of the water, porpoising beside us.
Sorry.
Oh, you're good. These common dolphins are actually one of the fastest dolphins out there. They can reach top speeds of 35 miles per hour. And that's usually in burst speeds when they're trying to capture their prey or swim away from their predators. We tend to see them go into stampede mode. That's when they all jump out of the water at once, kind of synchronizing those leaps. There is less resistance.